Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm so happy that you are here on my YouTube channel. I hope this video is exactly what you're hoping for it to be, which is a swatch video of the Sweet Pinks eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. This is one of the little mini palettes in their collection. This is what it looks like on the inside. Stunning glossy packaging. So there are 3 shimmer shades and 3 matte shades in this palette. I just want to quickly show you guys it side by side in comparison with the mauve eyeshadow palette. I know a lot of people are saying they look too similar. Juvia's Place colors look like they're starting to repeat. They're getting kind of bored of them, which I do understand. I suppose I can see how they would feel like they look almost identical, but if you look at them side by side, they are actually quite different. All the shades are very different. Maybe within this palette in the mauves, these two are quite similar. This one's just a bit darker, but overall, over both palettes, they are very, very different palettes. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys that comparison in case you were wondering what the Sweet Pinks look like next to the mauve palette. So just wanted to show you that. This palette is available on the Juvia's Place website, and I think people in America, you can buy it from Ulta. I'm not quite sure. I'm here in Australia, so I can't give you that proper information with full confidence. I'm sure you can do Google search and find out. But for people here in Australia, you can purchase this directly from the Juvia's Place website. So without too much more talking, let's get into this video. Oh my goodness, I have no words. Look how pretty, if it would focus, look how absolutely stunning and pretty these shades are. I don't have much of a base on my skin other than some hydrating primer from e.l.f. So imagine how much more brightly these colors would pop if I had a proper eyeshadow primer on my skin. These shades are absolutely stunning. They're so bright, so pigmented, so beautiful. It really lives up to its name, Sweet Pinks. It is very, very sweet. Look at those pinks. So sweet, so cute. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Go check out that playlist of Juvia's Place videos I have linked in the description box. I have a lot of Juvia's Place videos here on my channel. I am such a huge fan of Juvia's Place. I really wish that they would just notice me already. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!